Alright, so I'm over here in Humacao. But I've been here before. Sunday I wanted to come out and take it easy. I hurt my leg. Got a busted knee right now. So I figured I'd come out and try, because this is all I can do, just try. To use my leg a little bit. Got the big boy bait on there. 2 ounces. And just taking it easy. It's just a chill Sunday. Try to hit a few spots, but Sundays here is popular. There's so many beaches and whatever. This is when everybody comes out on Sunday. So they bring out their nice cars, their motorcycles, their yada yada. All the docks get full of people to come out and fish. So I'm gonna come out here again during the weekend. You're gonna be able to see the difference. There's not so many people, there's not so many cars. It's a lot more nicer. But for now, it is what it is, and we're just having fun. So I'm just trying to throw the line and forget that my leg hurts so much. It doesn't help sometimes when you twist. I even start screaming. I saw stars a little while ago. I'm the only one that's casting and reeling. Everybody else uses floaters, and they'll throw like some bait out there, and just they got holes here on the dock for you to put your rod. I don't like that. It's like boring. I'd rather be out here casting and reeling, having a better time. And if I'm gonna have one posted stationary, then I'm gonna have one that I'm gonna be casting and reeling. Because that's boring. Throw the line and just wait for something to happen. Alright, so we'll come back if I catch anything. Cut.